Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Trubin. Here in this video I will show you how to leave a group on iMessages. Lot of iPhone and iPad users to say how to leave group chat on iMessages in iPhone and iPad. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. To leave a group on iMessages, now first of all open the Messages app on your iPhone and go to the filter sections. In the filter, now first one option is all the messages on the app. On these screens, now please make sure select the group chat you want to leave. Select the group, then when the group chat open on the screens, now please make sure tap on the group photos and name at the top. This will open the group information screens. Here select the leave this conversation. When tap on that, after you can pop up at the bottom screens. Now confirm this process by tapping on the leave these conversations. This simple process too you can easily leave group chat on iMessages in iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.